Good morning, student. Today we will start our fourth unit, Physical Education and Sports for Children with Special Needs, Divyang. Concept of disability. Disability is an impairment that may be cognitive, developmental, intellectual, mental, physical, sensory, or some combination of these. Disability affect a person day to day activity, and it may be present from birth or occurs during a person's lifetime, during the accidents, polio, etc. Okay, disability means lack of capacity to do a work. Disability is a lack of capacity to do a work. It is an impairment which affects everyday activity of an individual. The person is not able to do his day-to-day activity. Disability means medical condition which does not permit an individual to perform his daily activity in a normal way. For example, if there is any injury in leg, then the person can't work normally. This is known as disability, and it may be present in an individual from birth or occur during one lifetime. And main is disability can't be cured. We can't cure disability. Disorders. Disorder is a problem or illness which affects someone's mind or body. Disorders is a problem or illness. It's affect the mind or a body. Disorders is a state of confusions or a mental or physical problems that interrupt, means that disturbs the normal functioning of the individual. Disorder is usually used for mental disturbance. It disturbs the mind. The person the disorders um, Due to disorder create the disturbance in individual performance and reduce his efficiency. In the beginning, disorders seem to be ordinary, but they usually grow and spread in a harmful manners in an individual. If a disorder is not cured, it may lead to disability. The main the main is the main different. For examples, the person have eye disability. If a person have eye disability, then he can't see, he is blind. Agar agar the persons have this ability, he will not able to see, he is completely blind. But if a persons have eye disorders, अगर person को eye disorder होगा, then then it does not means that he will not able to see. If a person have eye disorder, it does not means that he will not able to see. It means his eyesight is weak. उसका eyesight weak है, and it can be cured. But if you don't cure, then it will lead to disability. And अगर वो disability में change होगा, then it can't be cured. जैसे disability, you are not able to see, you are blind. अगर आप blind होगा means you can't cure, उसको फिर cure कर नहीं सकते. But eye disorders means weakening eyesight, weakening of the eyesight. And if you do treatment, then it can be normal. But if you does not do any treatment, then it lead to eye disability. Disability and disorders. Disability is disturbance. Disability This ability is a disturbance that make a person uncapable or restrict his function. Okay, this ability is a disturbance, and disorders, this ability is a disadvantage, ये disadvantage है, and disorders is a disturbance that cause to a normal function of a person. Disability एक disadvantage है और disorders it is a disturbance, it only disturb the normal functioning of a person. And दिस एबिलिटी इज मेनली लिंक विद बॉडी पार्ट, ये बॉडी पार्ट से लिंक है. एंड डिसऑर्डर्स इज मेनली रिलेटेड टू मेंटल प्रॉब्लम. एंड दिस एबिलिटी इट कान बी क्योर एंड डिसऑर्डर्स कैन बी क्योर. एंड if you don't cure the disability in the initial stage, then it may lead to disability. One more examples. For example, in a starting point, if you have problem in hearing, in a starting if you have hearing problem, then it is known as disorders. And if you don't cure and no treatment, then it changes into disability, and he will not be able to hear. Okay, if you have any problem in hearing, अगर आपको कोई hearing अगर आपको सुनने में कोई प्रॉब्लम हो रही है, then it is a disorders. And if you don't cure, if you don't do any treatment, then this problems change into disability and you will not able to hear. Type of disability. There are 4 type of disability: mobility or physical impairment, sensory impairment, cognitive or learning impairment, and intellectual impairment. Mobility or physical impairment, it affects mobility or a person's ability to use their upper or lower limb. This generally related to musculoskeletal, circulatory, respiratory, and nervous system. Means the person is not able to use his skeletal systems, circulatory system, respiratory system, etc. Not able to use his upper limb, lower limb, um, upper limb, lower limb, manual, etc. It is the cause of physical impairment is due to illness, accident, malnutrition, etc. Next is sensory impairment. Sensory impairment is when one of the senses like hearing, smell, touch, taste, spatial awareness is no longer normal. His sense organs is not in a normal form. This is known as sensory impairment. And next is cognitive or learning disability. Cognitive or learning disability, it is a it affect a person thought process, personality, and memory, resulting, for examples, from an injury to brain. Cognitive disability are kind of impairment present in a people who are suffering from dyslexia and various others learning difficulty, and includes speech disorders. Means cognitive, also known as learning disability, it is related to neurological disorders in which the nervous systems create hindrance in an individual to the person is not able to store, process, and produce the information. Okay, the mind is not able to store, process, and produce the information. He will face difficulty in reading, writing, and speaking. For examples, if he is if he is learning something, he has a problem in storing the informations, storing processing and producing information. उसको सोचने समझने की क्षमता कम होना. This is known as cognitive disability. Means he will not able to store, process or produce the information. The people with cognitive disability have less memory, thinking process, remembering, learning, judging, etc. Not able to do. Cognitive disability. The symptom of cognitive disability like memory disorders. He will have difficulty in remembering something that he heard, said or saw before sometime. Okay, memory disorders. These are the symptom of cognitive disability. Memory disorder means he face difficulty in remembering something that he heard or saw before some time. Hyperactivity. Hyperactivity means when an individual may not have attention for a long period. He will find difficulty to concentrate for a long period of time. And dyslexia means he have difficulty in reading, writing, speaking, etc. This is cognitive or we can say learning disability. Means he will not able to store, process and produce the information. He will face difficulty in reading, writing, speaking, etc. Next is intellectual disability. Intellectual disability involves problem with general mental ability. Intellectual disability means his IQ levels will be less. His IQ level is undeveloped. This can include intellectual and developmental disability, which can related to difficulty with thought process, learning, communications, remembering informations and using it appropriately, making judgment and problem solving. This is known as intellectual disability. His IQ level is less, therefore he will not able to communicate properly, not able to remember the information and not able to make proper judgment, problem solving, etc. This is intellectual disability. Disability, there are 4 types of disability: physical impairment, cognitive impairment, sensory impairment and intellectual impairment. Next is cause. What are the cause of disability? Cause of disability. The cause of disability are vary. A person age and severity of the disability can change. Disability may be genetically determined, environmentally determined or of unknown cause. Genetic or genetically determined means abnormal disability. Genetics means genetic means disability inherited from the parents. Disability which we pass from parents to his child through genes. And next is environmental like from the disability from the accident, injury, disease or any infection like brain injury, spinal cord injury, diabetes, etc. These are environmentally determined due to environment. And unknown cause. Some Some cause of disability like cancer. Cancer is a fast growing cause for disability claim. Means disability may be due to cancer, heart attack, heart disease, and stroke, heart problem. Diabetes may also lead to disability. Musculoskeletal disability. Musculoskeletals like back pain, injury, arthritis, etc. Disease. Various type of disease like lack of coordination, blindness, etc. means it affect the normal functioning of the body. Malnutrition. Malnutrition is also the reason for the disability. Malnutrition also the reason for disability. War. War like dangerous weapon, poison, etc. also lead to disability in the people. Eating poison, using danger weapon, this all are cause of disability. Pesticide. Pesticides and many others poison chemicals uh, also lead to disability. Accident. Many times due to accident the person's ability is lost and it affect the normal functioning of the individual. Disability also may cause from accident. Through accident it may lead to disability. Heredity. Many times of disability are inherited from the parents to next generation. Heredity is one of the cause of disability of some peoples, means from parents to their child. These all are the cause of disability. Disability and disorders. Disability. There are four types of disability: physical impairment, sensory impairment, intellectual impairment, and cognitive impairment. And disorders. Type of disorders like attention deficit hyperactivity disorders, sensory processing disorders, autism spectrum disorders, oppositional defiant disorders, etc. These are the types of disorders. Let first study about attention deficit disorders. Attention deficit hyperactivity disorders means the person is not able to uh, concentrate. Attention deficit hyperactivity disorders is a brain disorders marked by an ongoing patterns of inattention or hyperactivity impulsivity that interfere with functioning or development. Attention deficit hyperactivity disorders is a mental disorders of a neurodevelopmental types, means the persons who have attention deficit hyperactivity disorders he will face difficulty to concentrate. He will face difficulty in concentration. He will not able to pay attention. Symptoms. What are the symptoms of attention deficit hyperactivity? Like he will face problem in paying attentions, excessive activity, difficulty in controlling his behavior, making mistake, etc. And there are three types of attention deficit hyperactivity: inattention, hyperactivity, and impulsivity. Inattentions means the persons have trouble in sitting even for a short time. He will not able to pay attention. Next is hyperactivity. Hyperactivity is the state of being unusually or abnormally active. The people who are hyperactive may develop other problem due to their inability to stay still or concentrate. Hyperactivity means state of being unusually, means abnormal activity, performing abnormal activity, and performing abnormal activity he will also make problem to the others. And impulsivity means the persons make hasty actions that occurs in moment without first thinking about them, and that may have high potential to harm, or desire for immediate reward, or inability to delay gratification. Impulsivity means the person make actions without thinking. He make quick actions without thinking. The cause. What are the cause of attention deficit hyperactivity? The cause are genetic factors. Genetic factors due to brain injury, low birth weight, trauma, brain disease, etc. These are the cause of attention deficit hyperactivity disorders. And how you will manage the management by counseling, changing lifestyle, medications, changing his behavior, doing behavior therapy, etc. These are the management for attention deficit hyperactivity disorders. Next, sensory processing disorders. Sensory processing disorders is a condition uh, in which the brain has trouble, difficulty in receiving and responding to the information that come in through the sense. The person face difficulty in receiving and responding the information that come through the sense. Sensory processing disorders affect one's sense such as touch, sight, taste or of movement. Symptom of sensory processing disorders, like he will not sensory processing disorders may affect one's sense organs, like he will not able to hear, he will not feel any touch or any taste. Peoples can be over or under responsive to the things. He will face difficulty to response. Okay, sensory processing disorder means he will have trouble in receiving and responding to the information due to uh, due uh, uh, due to uh, due to due to sense condition in which brain has brain को difficulty in receiving and responding to the information. जो भी informations, whatever the information came through the sense, the persons have difficulty, the brain have difficulty in receiving that information. If he will not receive information, then he will not respond to the information. Cause of sensory processing disorders, like genetic factors, means from the gene, from one generation to next generation, from parents to their child. Low birth weight, if his birth weight, if his weight is low. Environmental factors, drugs, brain injury, etc. And how you can manage by changing the lifestyle, giving therapy, etc. Next is autism spectrum disorders. Autism spectrum disorders. It is a psychological autism spectrum disorders. Disorder is the name for a group of developmental disorder. Autism spectrum disorders include a wide range or level of disability. People with ASD often have these characters like ongoing social problems including difficulty and interacting with others, repetitive behaviors, as well as limited interest or activity. Symptoms are typically recognized in the first of few. Autism spectrum disorders. The persons who have autism spectrum disorders have with communications, difficulty in communications, language, social skill, behaviors. This is autism spectrum disorders facing difficulty in communications, interacting with others, have less interest, etc. And what are the symptoms? The symptoms the symptoms of autism spectrum disorders uh, is uh, is do not socialize, prefer to be alone. He will prefer to live alone, feel difficulty in expressing his emotion, and not be social. अकेला रहना पसंद करेगा, फील डिफ़िकल्टी, अपने इमोशन को एक्सप्रेस करने में फेस डिफ़िकल्टी. These are the symptoms, and how you can manage by working closely with our doctors or through a healthcare profession for the management of autism spectrum disorders, through changing his behavior by behavior therapy, physical activity, con- uh, healthcare professionals, consulting with a doctors, etc. And the cause of autism spectrum disorders is genetic factors, physical factors, psychological factors, etc. These are the cause of autism spectrum disorders. Now, the next is oppositionals defined disorders. Oppositionals defined disorders. It is a condition in which a child display an ongoing patterns of angry or irritate mood, define or argumentative behavior and revenge toward the peoples in authority, etc. Okay, oppositional defined disorders means it is means means in this condition the the child display the patterns of angry. He will feel angry, he will always in irritating mood, make argument, having argumentative behaviors, fighting with others, blaming others, frequent frustration, feel frustrations, think, he will not think before skipping, feeling of angriness, feeling of angry, etc. This is oppositional defined disorders. Symptoms actively refuse to comply means obey, with majority requires a conscience support rules, perform actions deliberately to others, is angry, argue often, blame others for their own mistake, making argument, blaming others, दूसरे को blame करना for their own mistake, frequently losing his tempers, taking revenge, easily annoyed, etc. And the cause of oppositional defined disorder is: first is genetic, biological, psychological, psychological, not etc. And how you how how you will manage, how you will solve the problem of oppositional defined disorders: through counseling, by doing counseling, family therapy, social skill, meditation, etc. These are the process management to solve the problem of oppositional defined disorders. And this is mainly oppositional defined disorder is mainly in child.